Hello everyone, today I'm in Beretinec and I'm gonna ride a cross-country marathon. The venue where the race was organized was a local football field. It proved to be good for parking and mass start of participants. The municipality of Beretinec is on the north part of Croatia, near the city of Varaždin. It is represented by a golden hedgehog, symbolizing a hardworking and family-oriented community. The race was organized by bike club ASIC, who offered us two courses, one of 25 kilometers and 700 meters of climb, and the other double the length and altitude, for which we did the small course twice.
Dobar vam bok. Radulović Filip. Hvala. Može. 64.
Možete lagano krenuti prema njima i sretno svima!
To ti ne preporučujem.
All participants start at the same time and whoever reaches the finish line first wins. We had a flying start, meaning we rode behind a vehicle to get up to speed until the very start, where we continued on picking up with the group.
Oh, all right. Okay, at this point I'm riding back because I've missed the trail with a couple of guys. And now, unfortunately, we have to find the turn point. Whew. Look at these death skulls here. Supposed to be a very dangerous descent. Ooh. Well, oh. It's a rooty one. And here is the infamous bridge situation. First gear, first gear. All right, we've got this. Nice, nice, nice. All the way to the top. Whoa! Woo! Jebeno!
It was quite windy on the open roads, and I consider myself lucky that I've got a group where I can pedal behind people and reduce the wind resistance a bit.
Whoa! Okay. Slippy. Drift. Woo! The conditions are rather slippery, I must say, so I'm trying not to go too fast because there are these sharp corners full of fresh cut grass, which is by the way wet, so you can really crash on these. It's common practice that in these marathons you always get a GPS file from the organizer, which means you can load it up to your Garmin, which then shows you the elevation profile, like you can see on my Garmin. This really helps a lot because you can anticipate sharp climbs and as well sharp descents. So a definite recommendation before any marathon race: get yourself a Garmin or any other device and load up your GPS file to know where you're going. Believe it or not, there's a jump line on the marathon trail. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, boy! Woohoo! Ha! Woo! Dude! Ah, woo! Ah, shit! Woo! Nice! Those jump lines were actually the finish of the first lap, and now we're on to the second one. Good energy, have a lot of water left, I mean ISO drink, so yeah, let's do it again. Whoa. Ha. Opet. Tu sam prvi krug fulla. Just so you think it's not all sunshine and rainbows, we have these really steep climbs full of some stuff which are really hard. The heart rate is in the red. Whew. And you're pushing it. We have a nice descent coming. Hard braking. What a nice transition from the downhill to the uphill part. Really gets you satisfied that you did it so smooth. Alright, let's do some climbing again. Samo utočiti. Thanks. To je to. Formula 1 pit stop. Ciao. This is nice to see. Finish line 1 kilometer. Woo! Wow. Woo! Ah, nice! Yeah, bro! Woo! Whoa! Woo! And we're on to the finish line. Woo!
Bravo.
Bravo, tebi.
I have to say the race went well. The track was absolutely perfect, especially the last part with the jumps. Of course, this was the best part for me. I have to say that I almost had some cramps at the end of the race because this is my first marathon this year. But overall, this was a really nice race. Sunny weather, perfect conditions. I'm definitely gonna return to cross-country marathon Bodlja.
Šta si radio?
Hopam.
Ajoj.
Ovogodišnji pobjednik u veteranima 2, Josip Žugec, BK Maraton.
A total of 104 participants raced the marathon. With 2 course lengths and 6 age categories, the award ceremony was a long one. There was also an e-bike category, slowly becoming a standard. I found out about this race on utrka.com website, where you can find various races in Croatia. Even though mostly for running, you do find some great bike races like this one.
I ukupni pobjednik danas na Velikoj Gospi, Denis Kulić, delegacije. Još jedan čestitke svim vozačima i vozačicama.
I would also recommend that while you are in Beretinec, make sure you go by the prominent castle Šalovec, standing ground from 13th century. It was a home to family Kish, who owned it for most of its history. After World War II, it was nationalized and now stands as a beautiful landmark. Enjoy the view and see you on the next race!